guys, welcome back to our channel. We are leaving the Rent-A-Center in the airport. We made it to Dallas. Woo! Merry Christmas, everybody. We are headed to get a bite to eat. Then we're gonna go and find our grandmother a Christmas gift. And then, of course, you guys know that we're gonna take you guys along with us. So, yeah, just enjoy this vlog. And yeah, this is our travel vlog. You guys know that me and Kim go home every Thanksgiving and Christmas, and this is one of those times. And so yeah, enjoy our vlog, and see y'all in a bit.
Okay guys, so we just left Tory Burch outlet. They didn't have very many things, obviously because it's the holiday, but we found something that we think our grandmother would like. We found some cute dangly earrings, and then we got a hoop just in case our mom says that she's not, like, so that our mom can have an option. And we were like, well, if our mom doesn't like one for her, she can keep the other. So I mean, I like the idea, or I can take them, I don't know, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put the tissue paper in the bag and have it ready for her.
So you guys, we are in Shreveport, Louisiana. We're visiting family for Christmas. Here's mommy. Say hi, mommy. Hi. So yeah, we're visiting Shreveport for Christmas, but we're also, let me turn this around. We're also gonna go and do a living noir at a restaurant here in Shreveport. And yeah, we are doing this here in our hometown. We thought it would be really cute to do here in our hometown, and to you know, just kind of do a little something different. But yeah, I think the car is out here, so let me go to the...
Hey guys, so we're on our way to do Living Noir episode 24, and so like Keandra said, so we have to do that, and then we're gonna stop by Kohl's to go to Sephora, and we might go to Target. We don't know. And we know that our mom needs to get something from Walmart, because she got all the stuff. Like, we're trying to get stuff before we get back, because I think they close at 6. Like, all the stores close at 6. So we have to get some things here. And one of the things that she ordered from Walmart, they didn't have enough, I think is what it was. And so she's going to see if they have it here, because we're going to our aunt's house tomorrow, before we do dinner at Del Frisco. So of course we'll let you guys see all of that and all of the things that we get into. Okay guys, so we got done. We're just getting done at Orlando's and we are full. So we're gonna go by grandmother's house. Our grandmother's house. And we're gonna see her and our dad. And then we'll be back on the road to go back to Dallas. And so that we can finish out our holiday. It does not feel like Christmas. It's just hot and muggy, and I was like, I don't remember it being like this, but coming from Atlanta to over here, it's always, I'm like, this is so weird how, because we're all in the South, but it just doesn't feel the same as far as like the temperature and the humidity and stuff. I didn't realize, and I grew up here, and I did not realize how humid it was. But my hair has frizzed up a little bit in places, and it just doesn't do that back at home. So, yeah, the experience.
Making Christmas really special.
All right, Grandma. Y'all don't know good sweet potato pie. This is good sweet potato pie. My grandmother Leela makes the best. Don't go to nobody else. You ain't gonna be able to come to her either. But this is the best sweet potato pie. Hey y'all, so we have made it to our hotel. I'm very excited about it because the drive from Shreveport to Dallas is always a doozy, and from Dallas to Shreveport is always a doozy as well, because just driving, like having to, go at certain speeds, diesel trucks, all that, like it's a lot of times it's just really a lot. And so your girl don't be wanting to fool with all that and deal with all that, but you just do what you gotta do, okay? But we had a really good time in Shreveport. We saw our dad, we saw our grandmother, and we ate some pie, and we had some pound cake as well, and just sat there with them. We gave them their gifts, and then now we're back here in Dallas, and we'll be on our mom's side of the family. We'll be with them tomorrow, and so great, we get to see everybody this holiday. So about to do some skincare. You guys saw in our last vlog, the vlog where we packed our items, the things that we were bringing with us, and in that video I showed you guys that I was gonna be using my Neutrogena pink grapefruit foaming scrub, and I really love this scrub. I just don't use it anymore at home because I love my CeraVe, and I love now my L'Occitane. It's a really great gentle scrub or gentle face wash, and then the CeraVe, I love using it because it has an exfoliator in it, or rather an exfoliant in it. And so yeah, I'm just using this on the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this makeup off though with my Clinique Take the Day Off. Okay, this is what I'm using to take this off, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Oh, this feels so good. I'm glad I got my eyebrows done. I have not gotten them done in a couple of years, and that's because my brows automatically have like this arch in them, and so I just don't go and get them done. But every now and then I will go and get them done, like when this part here starts to like grow in even more, the hair here, like on this part of the brow bone, starts to grow in, and I'm like, no, let me go ahead and, you know, get them to just, you know, shape them up and, you know, things like that, because that's when when that part starts to grow there, that's when my it's hard for me to like line my brows in that area, and so yeah, I'll just go and get them done. It was time. So yeah,